Hi, friends. Welcome to Distance Learning Week number 4. We are already on week 4, which is super crazy. I hope you're doing good. This is the planner for week 4 up until Friday, April 24th. Basically, your theme paper is what you should be working on this week, and that is due on Friday. So, by Tuesday, I just want you to turn in one body paragraph. You can just turn in what you have done so far if you want, or you can just turn in a body paragraph separately. That's however you want to do that is fine. But then I'll give you some feedback on your body paragraph. So please turn in your body paragraph by Tuesday, and then by Friday, I'm hoping that all your papers will be turned in. Monday, I put some things on here that you've already had access to before, but the theme paper outline is here, the body paragraph example is here, and remember there's a video in Schoology for how to write the body paragraph. And then, yeah, basically you're continuing to write throughout the week. On Wednesday or whatever day you choose, there's a theme paper checklist. Just go through that checklist and make sure you've done all the things that it says to do on there. That'll help you out a little bit. I would also suggest that you have a friend or family member proofread your paper and have them, go over it and see what they think. Try reading your paper out loud. It feels weird, but I swear it's very helpful to hear your voice say your paper out loud. You'll kind of realize what doesn't sound right and what maybe needs to be changed. Grammarly is a website that I know a lot of you use, so that's helpful. I would suggest using a thesaurus just to make sure that you have some good word choices in there and that you're saying things in the most eloquent way. If there's anything that you need, if there's anything you want me to look at, if you have any questions about what you're supposed to be doing, make sure you email me. The main point of this paper is that you're writing about a base theme that 2 stories or 3 stories, most people are doing 2 stories though, one base theme that your stories have. So if your base theme is revenge, make sure that you're focusing on the idea of revenge and finding as many examples as you can for both of your story selections that focus on revenge. Make sure you have the page numbers in there. Get the best examples that you can to really prove what you're trying to say. And papers due Friday. And let me know if you need anything. I miss you. Hope you're doing well. Have a super great week.